Hey guys, JVT Guns, back at you with another gun video. And welcome to, not the first tutorial video, but the first tutorial video for a gun. And in today's video, I will be making a M4 made from cardboard. This is a very free looking design that I've made a video for. I want to go with this design because it's simple and it doesn't require much. You can even customize the handguard any kind of way you want. So, you guys been asking for tutorial videos on different guns, but I wanted to start with this, like I said, because it's a very basic, free looking design and very easily customizable. So, I hope you can enjoy this unorganized mess, because this video is not very organized, and I will be leaving some pointers here and there. I might even record them right after I do this, as I view all of the footage, put them together, and yeah. So guys, thank you for watching in advance. Hope you learned something from it, and I'll see y'all later. Enjoy the video. So I got my template for the receiver, which I'm going to cut out right now. And this is what I got when I cut it out. So I got my template cut out. So once you got that cut, you're gonna trace it on over to cardboard twice. One for the left side, one for the right side. So here I traced out one of the sides all the way, and something I did was that also I taped down, when I was tracing it, I taped down the template just so it wouldn't move around while I was tracing it, just to keep all proportionate and all, you know, the lines and stuff as accurate as possible. So this is one side, I'm gonna do the other, and then I'm gonna cut them out. All right, both layers have been traced out. All I gotta do is cut them out. So now I got my layers cut out, and we're ready for the next step. I got another piece of cardboard, and you see the corrugation is going horizontal. You want to cut horizontal. You want to take a ruler, place it on the cardboard like so, like this, trace out a strip and cut it out, because here you're gonna be making braces for the gun. All right, so I got some strips cut out. I got like, from that piece of cardboard, I got like 4 strips out of it, but I'm gonna only need about, I'll use 2. The other 2 I can just sit somewhere else. And what you're gonna do with these is that, first of all, I need to plug in my hot glue gun. Take my piece of cardboard here. So you can cut off any ends like that. And basically roll it one direction, and then you do the other side as well. I'll show you what it's like when I'm done. On second thought, it was a little difficult trying to do that and not show you, so I'm gonna do it again, but this time I'm gonna just show. First up, let me fix the camera. So you roll it like this, and then you come back around, you do the same on the other side. So when you have your cardboard, it looks like it can basically bend, so your cardboard can bend both sides. And you're just gonna do that all the way down to the remainder of the cardboard, which I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. So now that we have our layers right here, you got a strip. I went ahead and cut the strip just under an inch. And when you do it under an inch, it'll make it a little more, give it a smaller profile just so it's not too wide in your hand. And when I say under an inch, you want it just at that little marker right before an inch. And so now it's time to get the gluing. When you glue it, my recommendation is you start one spot, like right here for starters, glue on the end of it here, place the strip on, let it dry, continue on around all the way down, stop, let it dry, and continue all the way around. But just remember not to glue anything right here, because that's where you're gonna do your magazine. That's where your magazine goes. So I'm about to do that now. Right now I'm working on the other side. I'm just trying to take my time and not get too impatient and glue things in the wrong spots. Just glue spots one at a time, like the other, like I did the first side, like I did on the rails. Not rails. The original layer, and strip. Let this dry. Then I'm gonna continue on gluing the strips all around the other side. Also, I did not add any strips on this little small piece right here. I just added on the edge and then I added up. I don't know. I do this on everything before, but you don't have to do it for yours. I just do it on mine, if you understand what I mean. So continue on. All right, so I got all the layers glued up together. I just want you to know also, I'm gonna be gluing a piece of cardboard right there for a bit of extra support, so it doesn't, because let me show, because when you don't have it glued in, it can actually cave in when you press it. So that piece of cardboard will be there. And a note, I cut out some of that cardboard from the top in the front of the back, so the cardboard tube could actually fit and sit right on top of the gun. Nice and snug. Alright, for this next part, we're going to be doing the upper receiver. But before we deal with that, I just want you to know I found a piece that actually fits for the aluminum foil tube, which will be the buffer tube. If you can't find a piece bigger than this, then you take your paper towel roller. If you have like many of them on you, like one or two, you could like draw a line directly in the middle. Use a ruler and trace it down the middle. Cut along that line and basically wrap the tube around that aluminum foil tube. And once you got it wrapped around, glue it together, and you have the upper receiver. Make sure though, when you get ready to glue it on the receiver, you glue that little slit spot down inside of the gun and then on top. Anyway, that'll be all for that. But since I have this piece, I put a piece of tape on my upper receiver tube, and I'm gonna glue it. Actually, I'm gonna cut this piece off with a utility knife. Take the tape off once I got this back piece off, and then I'm gonna glue it on top of the gun. And now we have the upper receiver almost complete. So you can see how the buffer tube fits in, and this paper towel roller will fit on the front of that tube just like this. But we're not done just yet. So hang in.